This is Shati Chaudhary, and I have been under Dr. Ketkar, Dr. Rao, and Dr. Chand Sarkar's tutelage for the 3 different modules of our studies on geriatric care and yoga. Studying under these 3 eminent professors is really like taking a walk down in Encyclopedia Lane. We have gained very high levels of detailed information on anatomy, physiology, psychology, philosophy, and nutrition. We have also been challenged into becoming better therapists with highly honed therapeutic skills. Any further courses that come up with these doctor professors and hellomyyoga, I surely will be the first one in line to sign up.
Hi, my name is Rupali and I am a geriatric yoga advisor in New York City. I have just finished the Geriatric Care course by hellomyyoga. The course was incredibly insightful and very well structured. It provided a comprehensive understanding of the natural process of aging, covering all aspects like the psychological, physiological, and nutritional aspects. The real life case studies and practical tips shared by the teachers were particularly valuable, making the content of the course applicable to real world scenarios. The teachers are highly knowledgeable, very engaging, and supportive throughout the course. I now feel much more confident in providing compassionate and effective care for my older adults. Thank you.
Dear Haloma Yoga team, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for the incredible yoga teacher training course in geriatric care. The program is truly exceptional and I feel fortunate to be part of it. I would like to say special thanks to Dr. Vinita Ketkar for her in-depth teaching on human anatomy, the physiology of aging, and very good tips on therapeutic yoga sequences. Her expertise and passion for the subject were evident in every session, and I appreciate the clarity and precision she brought to complex topics. Also want to acknowledge Dr. Ganesh Rao's outstanding contributions for this program on psychology aspects of aging, his explanation of the gunas, the panchakoshas, and also importance and the significance of prana and breathing. His tips on rehabilitation of mental health using these principles were truly enlightening. His sessions were very thought-provoking and insightful, and I appreciate his ability to make complex concepts accessible to us. Also, I would like to additionally thank Dr. Pankaj for his informative sessions on Ayurvedic principles, micro and macronutrients, diet and hydration. His expertise in this area was invaluable, and practical tips and recommendations he shared were very, very useful. Lastly, also want to commend the Haloma Yoga team for their wonderful communication methods, well organized program dashboard. It was also very flexible, and they had recordings and notes for those who missed the sessions, or if you wanted to just go back and look at the recordings and notes. And their constant reminders for classes as well as assessments and assignments were very well organized and good communication. And also the support, administrative support was very good, and I appreciate the seamless and hassle-free experience so far. It has been really an outstanding program. Going forward, as I finish the course, I know I'm sure I'll be confident and well equipped to share my knowledge and skills with senior adults, and I look forward to staying connected with Hello Yoga community for more such wonderful courses. Thank you very much.
Namaste. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Helloma Yoga to provide us with a wonderful platform of knowledge. Being a part of the Geriatric Care program, it has given me an immense insight into the human psychology, physiology, and nutrition that one needs to carry forward for a more healthier living. It's a more applied science where we can use it not only on us but our students and give them a more meaningful life. I would like to thank Dr. Vinita, Dr. Ganesh Rao and Dr. Pankaj for giving us such a beautiful insight into these subjects in the most simplistic ways, and I would love to continue with them for a longer period of time. It has been such an interesting journey with them. I would also like to mention that the team from hellomyyoga has been so flexible, prompt in providing us all the facilities that one needs, and I truly appreciate their services. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity.
Hi, I'm Shikha. I'm currently doing this yoga for geriatric care course, and it's been such a great learning experience. There are three modules: the physiology, where we cover the different systems, musculoskeletal system, then the psychology, my personal favorite, and Ayurveda. And each one of us added so much depth to my understanding of working with older adults through yoga. And what really stands out for me is the quality of the teachers and the content. It's so very well put together, and really bridges the gaps in knowledge. The sessions are pretty engaging, and full of insights that I know will stay with me. There are still a few weeks left in the course, and I'm looking forward to learning even more. If you're thinking about it, I'll highly recommend it. Just go for it. I'm telling you, every money that you pay for this is worth it.